Are you considering RescueTime for your accounting needs? Before you make your decision, there are 12 things you need to know to determine if it's the right choice for you. First, RescueTime is primarily a time tracking and productivity software, not exactly a traditional accounting tool. It can give you insights into how your time is spent, which can be useful for improving your productivity, but it doesn't offer the detailed accounting and financial management features that competitors like QuickBooks or FreshBooks do. Next, RescueTime automatically tracks the time you spend on different applications and websites. This is helpful for freelancers or small business owners who want to monitor their work habits. However, it doesn't provide in-depth invoicing or tax-related tools, which some businesses may find crucial. The third thing you should know is its reporting system. RescueTime generates productivity reports based on your time usage, which can be valuable for understanding your workflow. But again, this is not the same as having a detailed profit and loss report or balance sheet that you would typically expect from accounting software. Now let's talk about its integrations. RescueTime integrates with tools like Google Calendar, but it doesn't directly sync with accounting platforms like Xero or QuickBooks. If you rely heavily on these accounting tools for syncing transactions, RescueTime might not meet your needs. The fifth thing to consider is its user interface. RescueTime has a clean and simple interface, making it easy to navigate and set up. But if you're looking for something with more comprehensive features, like those offered by FreshBooks, you might find RescueTime a bit too basic. Another thing to keep in mind is its focus on personal productivity. While this can be a great asset for individuals or teams wanting to track their focus and distractions, businesses needing more complex financial operations may feel limited. The seventh thing to note is its pricing structure. While RescueTime has a free version, the premium version, which unlocks more features like offline time tracking and detailed reporting, comes with a subscription fee. If you're already paying for accounting software, you might want to assess whether the extra cost is worth it for just time tracking capabilities. Next, RescueTime also provides goal-setting features. These allow you to set daily time limits for specific tasks, helping you stay on track. But unlike accounting software, it doesn't handle budgeting or actual financial goals like QuickBooks does. Now let's talk about its mobile app. The RescueTime mobile app can track time across devices, which is useful for business owners on the go. However, it doesn't offer full financial management features, so if your primary focus is accounting, this might not be enough. The 10th thing to consider is customer support. RescueTime offers support through email, but its customer service isn't as comprehensive as the support systems available with accounting software like FreshBooks, which provides phone support and live chat. The 11th thing is privacy and security. RescueTime tracks a lot of your online activity, so it's crucial to read through their privacy policy. While the company promises to safeguard your data, if privacy is a concern for you, you may want to look into other options that offer more transparency in how they handle your financial information. Finally, it's important to know that while RescueTime is a solid productivity tool, it's not an accounting software replacement. If you're specifically looking for accounting features like invoicing, tax calculation, or financial reports, you'll want to consider alternatives like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. In conclusion, RescueTime is a good option for time tracking and productivity, but if you're after a full accounting solution, you may want to look elsewhere. For businesses that need both time tracking and accounting in one, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.